So I'm starting ETL ADF. So in session 7, we have implemented inner joins. We go with outer joins now. These outer joins, there are three types. Left outer join, right outer join, and third one is full outer join. So these three joins we will implement now as part of 28 session. Already have data sets for this. DEPT, EMP. And then results is our target. Data sets are already ready. I'm going to create a pipeline. Before pipeline, let's create one data flow. So data flow name I'm giving as outer join. Outer join data flow. We have two sources. We should configure them. In first source, the output stream name I'm giving as EMP. Data set name DS underscore EMP. Check the projection. All columns are perfect. I'm going to write into target data lake only. That's why I'm not going to change any data types. And second one, output stream name I'm giving DEPT. Data set name, same DS underscore DEPT I have selected. Check the projection. We have three columns. Department number, description, and location. So for this, for the first one, I'm adding join transformation. In joins, the configurations are like this. Left stream EMP, right stream DEPT. So this time I'm going to select left outer join. Left outer join means all matching rows and non-matching rows from left side. That means no record is missed from the left side table. Okay. I selected left outer join. What is the joining column, joining condition you need to give? So here, department number as joining column. In right side also, department number as joining column. You are trying to join 11 with 11, 12 with 12 like that. But in case of left side, you have 20 and 21 departments are there, but 20, 21 departments are not there in the right side. Already in the previous session, you have checked the data. Okay, all configurations are ready, including join type and join condition. Just please wait. Debug mode is running. Once it is done, we check the preview. Okay, as it is list right away, I'm going to write into sync. The sync data set settings. The sync is results. Just go to the settings. I'm going to override the previous files. I use some name for this. A file name. Left outer join. Just give any file name. All configurations ready. What columns will be there into the final output is all the columns. ID, name, salary, gender, department number, and description. Please wait. To check the data preview, first this data flow debug mode should be started. Still going. Professor is now ready. Just publishing this flow. Flow is published. Go to the pipeline. Just drag the activity data flow and come to the settings and give the name of it. Outer join data flow I have given. Once again, publishing this. Okay, it's completed. Now debugging this. Already execution started, sir. Status is in progress. Still running. Okay, sir. It's completed. Please check the output in our data lake. Thank you. Our previous lake was my big lake. Go to the containers, you will find results. Under this is your output. Please check the output. In left side data set, you have 9 rows, sorry, 7 rows. But matching rows are about only department 11 only, 11 and 12. In left side 20, 21, not matched with anyone. But that record not missed, the right side information is nulls. In coming data flows, I will explain how to clean the nulls, how to perform your data cleansing activity. Okay. So that means what is the meaning of this left outer join? All matching rows plus non-matching rows from left side. Just I do a small change. Same, I am going to the same data flow. In the case of joins, I give right outer join. I give right outer join. The joining condition say I'm not changing anything. Just publishing this change. Just for small sake, one point. The output file name, the name I am just changing. The write out. I don't want to overwrite. That's why I'm disabling this clear the folder option. Get publishing. And come to the same pipeline. Here, no need to do any changes. I'm running this. Sorry, publish, let publish completed. Yeah. Now running this. Okay, completed. Please check your results now. You'll have other file. What happened? Just verify. Only matching rows. But in the right side, there are departments 13 and 14. But 13, 14 are not available in left side table. That's why complete left side information is null. Department description and location, that is, those are available from right side. Just by seeing these two departments, you can understand in the finance department and admin department, there are no employees. Okay. So how to clean the nulls? In coming class, I will explain. So whenever you apply left outer join, right side non-matchings are missed. When you apply right outer join, left side non-matchings are missed. I don't want to miss anyone. Complete data I want. At that time, you have to go for full outer join. The full outer join is like this. Just in the data flow only, I'm doing change. This time under joins, I'm selecting full outer join. Joining condition is same. For the sync, I'm adding a new file. That's what good. I'm not overriding the folders. Just publish. Get done. Go to the pipeline and debug the pipeline. Okay, completed. Check out results container. Oh my God. Many number of partitions have been written. I don't know why. Here only schema. So in some partition, only 11 records have been matched because Spark is writing data into partitions. If there is any other option to control to write the output into single file or not, we will check. Instead of writing into the multiple partitions, just go back to the data flow once again. Go to the sync. Is there any option for single file or not? You please check. File name. This is for the file name, pattern, fuel, headers, this one. File pre-command, post-command, no option here. No option they have given, sir, here. So whenever it is writing the data into multiple output files, instead of writing into a file, if you load into a table, all the data will be available in a single table. Check. Here 11 records, perfect. I think second one is about 11 records. Okay. That means that is a matching one. Let me check here. This is a non-matching from left side. Record 20 is non-matching from left side. It's matching. 12 is matching record. This is non-matching from right side because finance department is not available in left side. This is non-matching from left and non-matching from right. So that is all matching records, non-matching records have been kept into this one. But Spark has written in the form of multiple partitions. To avoid this, load into a target table. Instead of writing into a file, if you load into a table, this will happen. Okay. So in this way, all joins can be applied. And one more thing here. I want to demonstrate you about cross joins. I will take some sample file. The file name here, quarter number and total sales. To only two fields I am taking. Suppose in quarter number 1, I have sales of 50 lakhs. In quarter number 2, in second quarter of the year, I got 75,000. In quarter number 3, I got 40,000 sales. Quarter number 4, I got 80 lakh sales. Think that this is 1 year aggregated result of your sales. I'm saving this file. The file name is Q sales. That means quarterly sales report. Quarterly sales report. Okay. Just observe what I am doing here. First, let's upload this file into your input container, which is my data. Upload. And select your previous file, which is Q sales. Okay. Now for this file, I am going to create a data set now. Data length gen2. Continue. The file name ds underscore Q sales. The linked service name, my big lake. The file path I am selecting, which is Q sales. But in the file, first row is header for me. Selecting it. Okay. Just publish this data set. Data set published. I'm going for a fresh data flow. A new data flow. Two sources I will take. Source 1, source 2. But in the place of source 1, for the source 1, I'm giving Q sales 1 as output stream and input ds, the data set name ds underscore Q sales. Just check the projection. I have two fields. If I need, I'll have to change the columns. I'm making the columns as integer. Total sales also I'm keeping it as integer. For second also I'm giving same thing. Second, I did not configure the source, second source. But same copy of the file I am giving. Q sales 2. Data of Q sales and Q sales 2 is same. I'm just replicating as two separate sources. Same data set I am selecting. Just go for the projection. Quarter number as integer, total sales as integer. So for the first one, I'm going to apply join, but join type is cross join I'm selecting. Sorry. Cross join I'm selecting. Left stream Q sales 1, right stream Q sales 2. But data is same in both streams. Asking me some condition. Here by condition, Q sales 1 minus Q sales 2. That is quarter number of left side, quarter number of right side. First one minus second one. This should be equals to 1. Here double Q is types. Equals to 1. That is my given condition. Okay. Equal to means I think double equal to. This condition I have applied. And I am saving this. Condition saved perfectly. Just apply the data preview. Run in debug mode. Roll in this data flow. What happens? Just observe. Your expectation is perfect now. Look at this. Not this file. Where is our previous file? But just open our previous file. There are 4 quarters. Second quarter sales 75, first quarter sales 50. I want an expression. How much percentage of sale increased or decreased in the second quarter when compared with first? But I cannot perform any operation over here because 50 is in first row, 75 is in second row. You cannot. But if you look at this cross join output, what happens? This is second quarter, first quarter. Second quarter sales is 75. First quarter sales is 50. If you treat that first column as current quarter, second column as previous quarter. When compared with previous quarter, in first quarter, sale increased or decreased, you want to understand. Observe here. When compared, this is previous, this is current. When compared previous, what happened? Sale 50% increase. Correct. So I want to generate such kind of expression, the cross join. That in the cross join, the condition what we have given. Look back this. Actually, left side 4 rows, right side 4 rows. Every row will join with each and every row. 4 into 4, 16 rows. But you don't want all the rows. The joining condition you have given like this. If current quarter minus previous quarter difference is 1, then only you are taking that. Suppose 1 minus 1, 0. The record is rejected. 1 minus 2, minus 1, condition false. 1 minus 3, condition false. 1 minus 4, condition false. That's why in the output, you did not get. Where is the output? Okay. Once again, we will run that. In the output, entire first quarter is missed. But 2 has to be joined with the 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. 2 minus 1, 1, condition true. 2 minus 2, false. 2 minus 3, false. 2 minus 4, false. So now 2 is available with first quarter. Similarly, 3 has joined with 1, 2, 3, 4. But 3 minus 1, false. 3 minus 2, 1. That is true. So third quarter is available with the second. Fourth quarter will be available with the third. So finally, you got 3 rows in the output because of this condition. Got it. So here wrongly something typed. Here the condition is this one. Okay. After this, still I want to perform some other operation. This is the use case of cross join. When our different rows to make available of different rows into single row, the cross join will be used to. So for this cross join, if you want to apply any expression, you can apply. Suppose I am applying here derived column. I want to generate some output for this. In the case of derived column, add our column.
So one show the output of the join 1.
Join 1.
Yes, sir.
Run again. This is 2 available with 1 or not?
Yes. Okay.
Third quarter available with 2. Fourth quarter available with 3. First quarter is not available with anyone because for the first quarter there is no previous quarter.
Previous quarter. Okay.
Okay. So finally, whether sale increased or decreased, you can.
Okay.
Okay. Still here, I am changing. I'm applying not this one. I'm applying select. I'm applying select. In the case of select, what I do just observe. Quarter 1 sales for this QNO, the name. This QNO name I am giving as current underscore quarter number. The total sales. This is 1. Okay. Wait. Here I do one thing. Here I will take quarter number 2. Quarter 1, immediately quarter 2. This is previous quarter number. And for this, here I give Q sales 1. The Q sales 1 is about current quarter sales. Current underscore sales. The next one, this is previous. Previous underscore sales. Okay. In this way, I have renamed something. Now just check it. Go back to the data flow. I'm going to debug this. Just a data preview. Refresh. Please wait. Okay, your expected column names, the data is produced. Got it. Now one more field I want to generate. Here I am adding derived column transformation. So here growth rate I want to take GROWTH, growth underscore rate. The expression for this, observe here, current sales minus previous sales. Current sales minus previous sales, whole divided by previous sales, whole into hundred. This is the mathematical formula for growth rate. Just I am saving this expression. Go for data preview. Run it again. Now check what happens. Look this. Just let me minimize this. Let me adjust to closer for comparison purpose. Sir, online team, are you observing? This is very important task regularly what you have to perform.
Yes, sir.
The new one is not added. The derived column, why it is not added. Current sales, previous sales, current sales, previous sales, current quarter, previous quarter. A new field is not generated.
Just move the cursor, sir. The bottom is
No, not this. Not
derived column, yes, sir.
yes, still it is there. Observe the growth rate here. Come on, check it here. Sir, have an overall look. Your understanding is what? In first quarter, sir.
50% increase.
No, just wait. In first quarter, how much sale is done? 50 lakhs. In second quarter, how much sale is done? 75 lakhs. When compared with the previous, in the current, how much sale percentage increased? 50% sales increase. Come on, compare 3 and 4, 3 and 2. When compared with the second quarter, in the third quarter, 46% sales decreased. Understood? Again, look at the 4 and 3. In third quarter, 40 lakhs is a sale. Fourth quarter, 80 lakhs is a sale. 100% sales increased. All of you understood this. On that way, whether your value increased or decreased, if increased, how much percentage increased, decreased. To perform such kind of data operation, we have taken help of cross joins. All of you understood this. Then go back to the pipeline. In the place of previous data flow, if you give this data flow name and if you run this, output will be written into data lake file. Already know that process. All of you understood or not about all the joins?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow means Monday session. But tomorrow, already told you, for 7:30 batch and 9:30 batch, there are special sessions related with the SCD. Okay, you please attend those sessions. Thank you.